I'm Jim Modak, Senior Vice President of Strategy and Go-to-Market, as well as Customer Care. I grew up in the Midwest of Ohio and have a strong work ethic in the Midwest of the U.S. Grandson of immigrants from Hungary and Serbia. I have 2 grown children, 4 grandchildren, and 1 on the way. At Tradeshift, I'm focusing on strategy that we develop. I'm working with the team that is very dedicated in customer success, the data analytics team here in Romania, as well as go-to-market and strategies associated with that. Certainly, the last 2 days have shown me that the people achieve all of those elements, a strong work ethic, dedication, and the openness to learn. So I think it's clearly evident here in Bucharest. It's amazing to go into an office post-COVID and see the energy, feel the energy, and see the collaboration and cooperation going on. It's just wonderful. I think every successful company nowadays has to have an epicenter of people, whether it's you have 1 or 3 or a dozen. And so I see Bucharest here in Romania being one of those epicenters for Tradeshift. As a result of that epicenter concept, you get collaboration, cooperation, and team building. So in 4 decades of working, I've seen a lot of different business models that work, as well as employment models. What I like about this group is we've got talent in finance, we've got talent in data analytics, we've got talent in product and engineering, along with the support infrastructure of HR and the people side of it. So what I'm experiencing for the first time in Romania is the broad breadth of talent that you can get here in Bucharest, Romania in general. Well, I go back to the concept of epicenter, because you bring people together in a pod, so to speak, and that creates the synergies, the collaboration, the cooperation. And so I see that being, and with the talent pool that I described that's very broad in nature, I see it being an area of potential growth as Tradeshift grows over the next 3 to 5 years. Number 1, Tradeshift is in a good market. FinTech, specifically, but more broadly, procurement to pay. So it's a good general market. It's got a very large addressable market. Billions have been invested in this marketplace. The other concept is we're at an inflection point, and every company grows in certain cycles. So we're at an inflection point of growing as a company, which provides opportunities for people to grow as individuals. And I see over the next 12 to 18 months us progressing. I made an analogy in our meeting this week that we're like the teenager, and we're progressing to the teenage years where we're going to get the keys to the car. Now we've got to judiciously and wisely use those keys to the car to operate and run the company and run the car.